Happy morning children, a pleasant welcome to Sheba Group online class. Children, I hope everyone enjoyed your previous video classes. Today we are going to take English revision. Come on, let's start our class. Students, everyone take your revision note which represents the page number 192 pages long ruled. 192 pages long ruled. Now take a fresh page. Students, today we are going to do our English revision. First, whenever we are writing, you have to mention your date and cover 2 lines on the margin. Earlier we have written in our classwork, and your revision note should be neat. Don't scribble. Write the question and then mention the answer, children. Now we are going to move on for the first Roman letter. Find the correct answer. In this Roman number, there are synonyms, antonyms, and fill in the blanks. Synonyms na meanings. So meanings, antonyms, opposites, and then fill in the blanks. Clear, children? First one, synonyms. First thing, plead. What is the meaning for plead? Request. Request na enradhu paniva kekkuradhu. REQUEST. Request. Plead, request. Plead, request. Fry. Baby of a fish. Baby of a fish. Fish oda kuttiya da enna solvanga? Fry solvanga. Okay va? Baby of a fish. Baby. 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 Of. 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 A. Fish. 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 Baby of a fish. Third one, discover. Find. Discover. Find. 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 Find என்னது? கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது. Pleasant. Happy. Pleasant. Happy. Happy என்னது? மகிழ்ச்சி. HAPPY. 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 Children, leave a sufficient gap and write. Leave a line and write. Don't scribble. Write neatly. Now our next topic is antonyms. Antonyms na opposites. So first one is young, old, young, old, young, old, 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 old. Young oda meaning enna? Ilamai. Old na mudumai. Young, old. Second one, friend, enemy, friend, enemy, friend, enemy. 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 Friend na nanban. Enemy na ediri. Third one, love, hate, love, hate, love, hate. 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 Love na அன்பு. Hate na வெறுப்பு. சரிங்களா? Love, hate. And the fourth one, active, lazy, active, lazy, active, lazy. LAZY, 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 lazy. Active na சுறுசுறுப்பா இருக்கிறது. Lazy na சோம்பேறித்தனமா இருக்கிறது. Clear, children? Now the C one is fill in the blanks. So they will give you a statement, children. Or word வந்து blank இருக்கும். We are going to fill that word. Clear? So first one, I have a robot big and strong. I have a robot big and strong. 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 Strong na என்னது? வலிமையா இருக்கிறது. STRONG. Strong. I have a robot big and strong. Second one, I have a robot dash and tall. என்ன வரும் dashல? Smart. 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 Smart na என்னது? புத்திசாலித்தனமா இருக்கும். I have a robot smart and tall. I have a robot smart and tall. Now the third one, it keeps the sack in every little dash. It keeps the sack in every little dash. Enna var answer? Rack. RACK. CK rack. rackனா என்னம்மா ஷெல்ஃப் இல்லை ஸ்டாண்டு. நம்ம வந்து வீட்டில் திங்ஸ் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ண யூஸ் பண்ணிப்போல அதுதான் rack. RACK rack. So I hope everyone understand this. Antonyms, synonyms and fill in the blanks dear. Students, whenever you are writing your revision test, you have to write the question and then the answer dear for your future reference. Clear? Now we are moving to second room letter. Circle the subject and underline the predicate in each sentence. So subject is the person, place or thing. Predicate refers what the subject does. அதாவது சப்ஜெக்ட் இருக்கிறது வந்து பர்சனாக இருக்கலாம், பிளேஸாக இருக்கலாம், திங்காக இருக்கலாம். ப்ரெடிகேட் என்ன பண்ணோன்னா சப்ஜெக்ட் என்ன பண்ணுது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது தான் ப்ரெடிகேட். ஸோ சப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு டூ அ சர்க்கிள் அண்ட் ஃபார் ப்ரெடிகேட் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு அண்டர்லைன் த சென்டென்ஸ். கிளியர்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், மை மதர் இஸ் அ டாக்டர். Here is person name, my mother. அது வந்து சப்ஜெக்ட். ஸோ சர்க்கிள் த சப்ஜெக்ட். என்னவா இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு வரும்போது இட்ஸ் அ predicate. So it's a doctor. She is a doctor. So underline the predicate. Now children try this. You must pray every day. You is a subject. What you have to do? You have to pray every day. So must pray every day is a predicate. What you have to do? You have to underline. Clear? Now I speak loudly. So here I subject. What you have to do? You have to speak loudly. So speak loudly is a predicate. Underline the predicate. Speak loudly. Clear? Now the fourth one. Try this children. The rabbit is eating a carrot. Who is eating a carrot? The rabbit. So the rabbit is a subject. What it is eating? It is eating a carrot. So உங்களுக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா சப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு predicate ஆன்சரா வரும், predicateக்கு சப்ஜெக்ட் ஆன்சரா வரும். ஈஸியா ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணலாம். Is eating a carrot is a predicate. What you have to do? You have to underline using your pencil. After finishing every round letter children, for your neat and clear handwriting, you have to draw a line to make it neat. Okay? Now our third round letter is match the rhyming words. Children, what is rhyming words? The word that sound same. அதாவது ஒரே சவுண்டா இருக்கும் but the spellings are different. For here listen children. Tall, all. Tall, all. How it sounds? And the sound வந்து ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும் but the pronunciation are different. Tall, all. Bed, head. Bed, head. Rest, best. Rest, best. Mass, cars. Mass, cars. Now we can spell it children. Tall, all. A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. Bed, head. H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. Rest, best. B-E-S-T, best. Mass, cars. C-A-R-S, cars. Now our fourth round letter is quote from memory. Quote from memory. The poem name is My Robot. Children, whenever you are writing the poem, just remind these points. First one, the heading of the poem is very important. And then the commas and full stop. And if you don't have a space to write in the same line, you have to use the next line. And mind it children, you have to write it neatly. So first, my robot. I have a robot, big and strong, comma, big and strong, comma, big and strong, comma. Children, this is the first line. I didn't have a space to write here. So I used the next line to complete the sentence. Clear? So likewise, you can write it in your revision note. Watch now how it walks along, comma. Don't forget to do the commas with a nice rhyming song, full stop. Children, I am going to explain this and give finger gap and write children. It will give you a neat look. I have a robot which is big and strong. என்கிட்ட ஒரு robot இருக்கு. நல்ல பெருசாவும் ஸ்ட்ராங்கா வலிமையாவும் இருக்கு. அது எப்படி இருக்கு? Again I am insisting. Big and strong, big and strong. Watch now. அது நடக்கிற அழக பாருங்க. Watch now how it walks along. So robot is made up of iron or steel. When it walks, it makes some sound, kind of sound. And sound எப்படி இருக்கும்? அப்படியே rhyming sound மாதிரி இருக்கும். With the nice rhyming song. Clear? So come on, repeat it again. I have a robot, big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Watch now how it walks along with a nice rhyming song. Now after finishing these 3 lines, you have to leave a gap for the next stanza. Clear? I have a robot, smart and tall. Smart and tall, smart and tall. Here don't forget to use the commas, children. Watch now how it welcomes all, comma, with a nice greeting call, full stop. So I am going to explain you. So this time my robot is a smart and tall. Smart என்னது புத்திசாலித்தனமாவும் இருக்கு, பெருசாவும் இருக்கு. புத்திசாலியாவும் இருக்கு, பெருசாவும் இருக்கு. அது பாருங்க, if you see some malls or shopping malls, they will greet us. வெல்கம் பண்ணி பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? So அததான் அவங்க சொல்றாங்க. அது வந்து எல்லாரையும் எப்படி வெல்கம் பண்ணதுன்னு பாருங்க. அது எப்படி விஷ் பண்ணோம்? Greetings means wishes. இப்போ மார்னிங்னா ஹாப்பி மார்னிங் மேம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அழகா விஷ் பண்ணோம். அதை பாருங்கன்னு சொல்லி இந்த ஸ்டான்ஸா எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணது. I have a robot, smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Watch now how it welcomes all with a nice greeting call. Students, our last formulative is answer the following. Read the questions properly and then answer. Here children, first question, what kind of a boy was Vicky? Question mark. What kind of a boy was Vicky? Answer. Vicky was a lazy boy. Vicky was a lazy boy. Lazy. L-A-Z-Y. Lazy. L-A-Z-Y. Lazy. Lazy na என்ன மீனிங்மா? ரொம்ப சோம்பேறித்தனமா இருக்கிற பையன் யாரு? Vicky. Vicky was the lazy boy. After writing the answer, children, you have to keep full stop, and before writing the answer, you have to leave 2 finger gaps. Don't forget it. After writing, completing the question and answer, cover the lines with your pencil and scale. Now the second question, how do the wheels go? How do the wheels go? Question mark. Wheels எப்படி போகும்? It goes front and back. Answer. The wheels go front and back. The wheels go front and back. The wheels go front and back. Front. F for O-N-T, front. F for O-N-T, front. And. A-N-D, and. Back. B-A-C-K, back. Front and back. Wheels எப்படி போகும்? முன்னாடி பின்னாடி மூவ் பண்ணும். So the wheels go front and back. Now the third question, where did Anita go? Do you remember the robot expo lesson, children? Yes, I hope so. Where did Anita go? The answer is Anita went to the robot expo. Robot expo should be in capital. Expo means it's an exhibition. Clear? Anita went to the robot expo, and you have to do with the apostrophes. Robot, R-O-B-O-T, robot. Expo, E-X-P-O, expo. Anita went to the robot expo. Now the fourth question, when do we land on Mars? Question mark. When do we land on Mars? Question mark. And the answer is when we read about space. When we read about space, we land on Mars. We land on Mars. When we read about space, space பத்தி நம்ம படிக்கும்போது என்ன ஆயிடும்? நம்ம அதுக்குள்ளே போய்டுவோம். So that means we land on Mars. When we read about space. When. W-H-E-N. When. B. W-E-P. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. Read என்னன்னா படிக்கிறது. About. A-B-O-U-T. About. A-B-O-U-T. About. Space. S-P-A-C-E. Space. S-P-A-C-E. Space. Space என்னது? Sky, stars, the satellite, solar systems இதெல்லாம் பத்தி படிக்கிறது தான் space, astronomy சொல்வாங்க. So that we call as space. We land on Mars. Full stop. Children, read the question properly and then answer the question. After writing each and every question, you have to cover with your pencil and scale, and don't forget to leave 2 finger gaps while you start writing the answer, and afterwards you have to keep a full stop. And for your neat and good presentation, you can draw the small stars using a pencil. And at last you have to mention parent sign, which is a must one. Get your parent sign after finishing all your revisions in English. Children, everyone do your revision test properly. I hope everyone understand how to write your revisions neatly. Learn and write, understand the concept and write, children. Hope you all do your revisions well. Thank you. See you in the next class.